Doing well. Today's video is going to be a fall get ready with me for this makeup look. I kept it fairly neutral, so hopefully you guys can take inspiration for your everyday fall makeup. And I also tried to focus most of the tutorial or like get ready with me on my eyes, just because I've been into eyeshadow a lot more lately. So hopefully you guys like that. If you do like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and turn on post notifications if you want to get notified every time I upload. And quick disclaimer, this video is in collaboration with Maybelline, which is so exciting. I get to use a couple of their new eye products, and we talk about lashes, which is very exciting. So if you needed that disclaimer, there it was. And that's pretty much it for the intro. Let's go ahead and jump into the get ready with me. After I've prepped my skin for makeup, I'm moving on to using the brand new product from Maybelline. This is the Lash Sensational Boosting Serum, which, yes, you guys heard me correctly. This is a lash serum from the drugstore, which means it's super affordable and very accessible. So I'm so excited to be using this and showing it to you guys, because if you know me, you know that I love growing out my natural lashes. I've been into that a lot more lately and just making mine stronger and thicker, so this is such a great product for that. It's formulated with arginine and vitamin B5 to help grow your lashes thicker and fuller in just 4 weeks, which is incredible. And you can apply this morning and night. All you have to do is just sweep it up on your lashes. You can also do it over your lashes, which you guys see me doing in this little demo here, and just make sure you have it completely dry before you move on to mascara. But yeah, morning and night, and you will have fuller, thicker lashes in just 4 weeks, friends. How incredible is that? Pretty incredible if you ask me. I will have the link down below. And now, while I let that lash serum sit on my lashes and dry fully, I'm going to move on to my face makeup. So I just used a primer that was hydrating, and I'm going to be using one of my tried and true favorite foundations from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I went through such a phase with this foundation, and I'm bringing it back because I love it. It has such good coverage, it wears really nicely, and I just really like the finish of it. So I'm bringing it back for this video. It's a good one. You guys should check it out too. I'm moving now on to concealer. This Too Faced one is my favorite. I absolutely love it. And you guys know I show you guys my face stuff all the time, so I'm going to speed through this a little bit quicker than I normally would. I'm setting it with a Nude by Nature loose translucent powder. Love this stuff. It still gives you that nice natural glow, but it does mattify just enough, which is exactly what I like. Moving on to bronzing my skin, I'm using my Hoola bronzer, which I love, adore. It's the best, and I love some bronze skin all year round, so that's what I'm doing. Now that I magically have eyebrows, I'm also going to be applying blush. This one's just a nice peachy pink color. I love a little bit darker blushes in the fall time, so I kind of just go in with a heavy hand on that. And to enhance that glow just a little bit more, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. I absolutely love this product. It's a cream highlight, and I just apply it where I normally would and then blend it out with a brush, and it looks super natural, very glowy, but still like you're wearing a highlight. It's gorgeous. I love it. Now moving on to eyeshadows, I asked you guys on my Instagram what palette I should use, and this Tartelette In Bloom palette won. So I'm starting off with the shade Charmer, which is a white matte color, and just applying that all over the lid to get a nice even base. And then I'm going in with Flower Child and just running that through my crease and really blending it out. I always kind of start off all my eye looks like this just to have a transition color. And then I'm kind of blending Smarty Pants and a little bit more Flower Child kind of into the crease just to deepen it up a little bit more. Once that is blended out and as opaque as I would like it, I'm going in with the shade Jet Setter, which is kind of like a matte taupe color, and I'm just packing that onto my eyelid and kind of blending it out as I go, but I'm really trying to build up that color so it's a little bit more bronzed, and I do really like the shade because I find it a little bit more cool tone, which complements my eyes and just my skin tone overall, so I really like that. And I'm also running that same shade Jet Setter on my lower lash line. Taking now the shade Rebel, which is a kind of brick color, I'm running that a little bit through my crease really lightly, but also on the outer half of my eyelid, just kind of blending that out because I did want a little hint of red in this eyeshadow look, but not too much. I wanted to keep it more like bronzy and brown. I'm also using Charmer as the brow bone highlight, and then the fun part, I'm taking Funny Girl and a little bit of Firecracker just on my finger and pressing that into the center of my eyelid just to give a little bit of sparkle. I really do like that, and it's just something easy you can do with eyeshadow to make it look like you put in a lot more effort than you did. Moving on, I'm curling my lashes, and of course I'm using a Maybelline mascara. This is the you know, sister mascara to the lash serum. This is the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. I love this. Again, packaging pink. It's so cute. I find this mascara super easy to use because of the curled wand. I absolutely love that type of wand, and I find it really easy to get underneath my lashes and curl them up. And this mascara does a really great job of voluminizing my lashes as well as giving them a fan effect. I really have been loving the look of lashes that are a little bit more tapered on the outside, a little bit like longer on the outside and then shorter on the inside. It just kind of gives you a little bit more of like a doll look, and I really like that. And here's the comparison of one eye with the mascara and one without. And one of my biggest tips for mascara is to take the wand and really curl it upwards. This is also going to help hold the curl of the lash for the day, but also it just coats all the lashes so much more evenly. Another thing I really like to do to give the ultimate fan effect with this mascara is just take the tip of the wand and use that on just the outer lashes to really coat those and make sure they're going outwards. And of course, I'm also using the Lash Sensational mascara on my bottom lashes to finish off the eye look. And then moving on to lips, I'm applying a dark nude lip liner. And then for lipstick, I'm using the Dose of Colors Katie and Desi collection. This shade is in a mauve story, or a mauve story, however you pronounce it. And it's a liquid velvet, so it's super comfortable. Wears like a liquid lipstick though, but it's a lot more comfortable. Also, this shade is just gorgeous, and I think such a good nude for fall. And there you have it, folks. That is the completed fall get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have all the Maybelline products I mentioned in today's video along with everything else linked down below so you guys can easily check it out. And yeah, here's the finished look. And that pretty well completes the get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in a comment down below what your favorite fall makeup product is, whether it be a lip color, an eyeshadow palette. Let me know in a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.